Hi there, welcome to Lightbulb World TV. In this video, we're going to take a look at GU10 LED light bulbs, or as they may be more commonly known, spotlights. These bulbs are found all over the place, from the home to shops, cafes and restaurants, inside and outside, in a variety of light fittings like downlights, track lights, garden lights, etc. We'll be comparing the 50-watt halogen GU10, which is found in most homes, to the latest energy-saving LED bulbs from the UK's leading manufacturers, Bell, Sylvania, Osram, BG and Megaman. When it comes to choosing light bulbs, we've been very used to the bigger is better philosophy. The higher the wattage, the brighter the bulb. Well, that's not the case anymore. Most LEDs use about 10% of their halogen counterparts, whilst producing the same light output, so wattage is no longer an accurate way to compare bulbs. So, if wattage no longer has a bearing on how bright a bulb is, what do we look for? It's all about two things: lumens and colour temperature. Let's look at lumens first. Lumens are a measure of the amount of light produced by a bulb. The higher the lumens, the brighter the bulb. To give you an idea, on average, a 50-watt halogen GU10 will produce around 350 lumens, and you can normally achieve this from a 5-watt LED. You'll also need to consider the colour temperature of the bulb. The temperature doesn't refer to the heat they produce, but the type of light you see, measured in degrees Kelvin, but usually known as the K rating. Let's take a look at the difference. First, the warm white generally varies between 2700 and 3000 K. This is the equivalent temperature of a standard halogen GU10. Cool white, 4000 K, good for kitchens and bathrooms. This slightly blue light is great for rooms where a little more detail is required. Daylight white, 6000 K, much brighter than a standard halogen GU10. Its wattage can still be as little as 5 watts, giving much greater perceived light with the same energy saving. It's important to note that LED spotlights are available in dimmable and non-dimmable versions, and it's important you decide from the start if you may want to dim your bulbs, if not now, but sometime in the future. A dimmable bulb can be switched on and off using a conventional light switch, but a non-dimmable bulb can't be dimmed at all, which means it might be worth spending that little bit extra now to avoid having to change the bulbs later on. We'll be taking a closer look at dimming LED GU10s in our next video. Lastly, and most importantly, we mentioned earlier that these bulbs use a fraction of the energy of a standard halogen bulb. Put simply, by switching to LED, you'll save money on your electricity bills. Using our cost of ownership tool, we're going to take a look at a typical kitchen in a 3-bed semi-detached house, where you'd normally find about 6 spotlights. Comparing 6 50-watt halogens against 6 6-watt LEDs, and running for about 4 hours a day. Based on an average electricity bill at 13.5 pence per kilowatt, the switch to LED will save you over £50 a year, and that's just in one room. There's a lot to consider when buying LED, but rest assured, the team at Lightbulb World are here to help should you need any assistance. Please click on the link below for more information, or give us a call on 0845 683 0503. Thanks so much for watching. See you again next time.